The platoon commander, number 1, commanded by Yang Knight L. Nong Lai, in squad the second command, Saibong Tre Patuet, and most one is Dahun Pura Marpan, the brigade commander. Approaching the guy. Followed by platoon number 2, commanded by Lieutenant Sok Chang, approaching the guy.
कमांडर द्वारा
From Sloman to Marjan, the platoon number 1, commanded by Sergeant Knight L. Nong Lai of MPRO, with a strength of 42 personnel, along with platoon commander, brigade commander PNC Dahun Pura Marpan of 4th MLC Battalion, and second in command, Fireman Constable Saibong Tre Patuet. Followed by platoon number 2, with a strength of 19 personnel, commanded by the next platoon number 2, with a strength of 19 personnel, commanded by LPRO Constable Rangam Sira of LPRO. Followed by the last platoon number 4, with a strength of 20 personnel, led by platoon commander PN Constable Sita Hukum.
का आखिरी प्लाटून कांस्टेबल तुषार वापू अपने 22 जवानों के साथ आप सभी देख रहे हैं। इन्होंने
The platoon number 1, commanded by Constable Yang Knight L. Nong Lai, with a strength of 22 personnel, approaching the dive. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause. Followed by platoon number 2, with a strength of 19 personnel, commanded by Lieutenant Constable Lieutenant Sok Chang of 4th MLC Battalion, approaching the dive.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए इस बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन में।
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause. The next platoon number 3, commanded by MPRO Constable Rangam Sira of MPRO, with a strength of 19 personnel, approaching the dive. The last platoon number 4, with a strength of 21 personnel, commanded by PN Constable Sita Hukum of West Roville CTF, approaching the dive. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause. Last but not least, the fight band of 4th MLC Battalion, led by CSI. Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Lakshman Jumgoi, Sri R. Chandranapan, IPS, Director General of Police, Meghalaya, Srimati I. Nongrang, IPS, Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order and Training in Armed Police, Sri H. Nongso, IPS, Additional Director General of Police, Special Branch, CID, senior officers, invitees, members of the press, dear trainees. Of the parade.
श्रीमान दीक्षण परेड को निष्क्रिय करने के लिए आज्ञा प्रदान करें।
कभी और सज्जनों, जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा, दीक्षांत पैड कमांडर मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को जनरल सैल्यूट से सम्मानित करने के बाद दीक्षांत पैड को निष्क्रम करने का आज्ञा प्राप्त कर चुके हैं।
In which this training have been trained since 1st July 2020. As you can see, each constable group gives the certificate before marching out of the parade ground. These armed branch constables joined at 1st MSP Battalion Armed Police Training Center on 29 June 2020. Anita Sri Bangshiram Basumatri of Armed Police Training Center and a group of 41 police instructors of this unit of Meghalaya Police. The Commandant of 1st MSP Battalion, CA Lamwa, IPS, is looking after.
कमांडेंट महोदय